Good day, guys. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So today just do a quick market analysis. Just do a quick analysis there. Yeah, gold, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah. So guys, we've been in, like, I'm still holding this entry, guys, like straight from here, bro, because with the break, just boom, price continued to go to the downside. So yeah, I'm currently still holding those because I'm just looking to take price there, bro. Only, yeah, I'm not looking for much. I'm just, that area, that's gonna be my TP. So yeah, why not ride this move to the downside? So yeah, that's what I'm looking to do, honestly. But for those that didn't see how I did this, so yeah, let me just analyze this. So this is gold. Yeah, guys, man, just don't forget there to subscribe for the boy, so that the boy can also grow the channel. It helps a lot, because if you saw this video, I'm sure you're gonna get value, most definitely, bro. This for sure. So yeah, can you please kindly comment, like there, and subscribe for other people, so that I can reach other people also. So look, what I did there, I just that this, I marked off our resistance, our support. So this is the internal, it's what's happening inside now. So here ours is our support, our resistance. So now we are inside, we are deep inside the body. So yeah, man, so we're just gonna mark off our key zones where we see that the market weight touches, it reverses, just that, nothing too much, nothing too complicated. So this is just a strategy that this is the traditional strategy, doesn't require too much, doesn't require a lot, man. Just that support zones and resistance zones, key zones, turning points, that's what we're looking for, not looking for too much. So we're just gonna mark off our zones, to just have an idea where price is going. But guys, what we have seen here is that this is I call this voids. I call this this is a week. It left a week, a big week, bro. This is a big week. You see, if we are inside here, we are in the week. Let me just indicate this so that whenever we see this, we know that bruh, in the week, that portion, that whole portion is the week. It's the week, bruh. So we just do it like that. It's the week. So yeah, we know that yeah, this whole zone is the week. So it's the indication, a small indication for us, so that we can see that, okay, cool, we're inside this guy here. So yeah, see, price is still playing around this guy. So we've seen that whenever we're inside here, price is trapped. So whenever we are below price, do you understand what I'm saying? So here there's nothing much, bro. There's nothing much, especially when you go to the lower time frames, because of now I'm in the weekly time frame. This is a lower time frame, to be honest. It's a lower time frame, but we'll work with it, man. We'll work with it. So targets will be there, bro. If the setup behaves, if the setup understands what we are trying to do, but then again, this is price action doesn't really care about what you think, or what are you trying to do, doesn't really care. Price action always do its thing. But again, guys, this is the first target right there. Here, it's the first target, but I'm just looking to take price all the way down there, just there. There's nothing much, especially we see breaks here, that, okay, cool, price is just gonna drop to those key points. So it's very important for us to actually follow and listen to price action, because price action will always communicate. Oh guys, it's a very nice break, little retest there on the daily. That's nice. So I am convinced that price will break there, man. I am convinced. I don't know why, but I am convinced that price just gonna do its thing there, bro. Yeah, let's just use this one. Let's just use this one because it makes more sense. You understand? So yeah, I think when we break there, if you break there, bro, me, bro, tepan na bro, tepan na me, bro. So yeah, you understand? So yeah, these are the first TPs. This one, this is gonna be the first, the second, the third. If price continues, going to the downside, but then price bright, there's been doing its thing, bro. So I don't know, man. Yeah, again, there are people that see buys, the people that are seeing buys. So honestly, me, I'm just curious, because you might think that I might think that I'm analyzing the right thing, but totally different story to another person. So if you see something different, please can you just let me know there. Again, guys, once we break here, we know that okay, price, we're gonna take price to the downside if we break there. That's yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, you understand? If we break price, if we see that price is just breaking this lows and it's just continuing breaking the lows, there's nothing much that you have to say, bro. You understand? So yeah. Okay, guys. So yeah, again, for us to continue with the sales, you need to see the break. You see here, this is gonna say a lot. Just this whole point. If price just breaks below price coming here, it breaks here, it's coming there, it's going there. So these are our targets. Let me just do that. These are the targets, bro. Understand? So yeah, just put them. We know that okay, these are the overall TPs, there to the downside. So there's nothing much that we gotta say. There's nothing much that we got to do. So yeah, if price just continues behaving in a good manner, bruh, you understand, even here, if price just breaks here and closes below, we good. So but now we definitely not going to act now. That's most definitely, like, we won't let price make us fools. So we might as well wait. So I think just waiting is gonna be just the best thing, but I'll be looking to take my entry there, and just having my TP there, my first TP, first TP there. Then I know my second, I'll enter another trade once price continues behaving the way it's behaving, because it's very nice. You understand? You're gonna drag that, my second TP, then my final TP will be there. You understand? This is yeah, there's nothing much that I gotta do on this trade other than just doing that. Really, there's nothing much.
Thabiso.
Sure.
What?
Yeah, guys. Yeah. So yeah. Give another. So yeah, guys. So yeah. If price just continues breaking the downside, it's gonna be super great, man. If you just see that break here, that retest, and that continuation to the downside, bro, that would be super nice, man. But again, this is a crucial area, guys, because price can just bounce here. That's what could happen. Price could just bounce here. So if price shows us that it's failing to break here, it's fine. We're not gonna force anything. we're just gonna continue with the if price breaks here, if price breaks here, if price just breaks this whole structure like here, this resistance, I'll just take those buy scalps, yeah. But if price indicates that is going to the downside and is breaking this lows, the support, definitely I'm gonna take sales, but for now, most definitely I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna wait on this just to give me clean, and I think this is gonna happen on New York session. I think so. I think so, New York session, but now I think it's still not on session, so I don't think that we will be looking to to take any trades as of now. I think the structure, New York session will break the structure, this whole thing. I think if it breaks, again, gonna be overconfident and trying to act like we know the market like that. But we're just gonna apply what we know, and what we know is that price, if it fails to break, it will go up. But if it breaks, it will definitely retest that and continue with our price. Oh guys, this lower time frames. Oh lolo, I bruh, means I entered that trade here. I entered that trade somewhere here, but I'm just looking at the structure. So yeah, so guys, yeah, there's nothing much, man. Thanks for watching. If you guys watched till the end, can you please like, comment, subscribe there, it helps me grow, it helps the channel grow. But then otherwise, yeah, you can just share your thoughts, what you think. There's nothing much from my side, man.